Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is stir-fry broccoli with Chinese yam. Hope you like it. Chinese yam, also known as huaishan, is rich in nutrients and is known as a poor man's tonic. It is regarded as a medicinal plant that can cure diseases and strengthen the body. After being dried and used as medicine, the yam becomes the white huaishan you see in supermarkets or herbal medicine stores. Traditional Chinese medicine believes that yam has the effects of nourishing the spleen and kidneys, nourishing the lungs, and stopping diarrhea, and is very beneficial to the human body. Broccoli has many health benefits, including antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, antimicrobial, metabolic disorder modulating, neuroprotective, and rhinoprotective effects. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Stir-fry broccoli and Chinese yam. Ingredients: broccoli, Chinese yam, ginger. Chopped ginger. Cut broccoli into florets, wash and set aside. Peel and sliced Chinese yam. The main reason why yams make people's hands itch may be related to the allantoin and saponin in their mucus. Do wear gloves when you peel Chinese yam, ya. Stir-fry chopped ginger. Add broccoli. Add 3 tablespoons water. Add Chinese yam. One tablespoon oyster sauce. One teaspoon salt. Stir fry for a minute. Plate broccoli and Chinese yam. Let's eat. Do share this healthy recipe with your beloved family, ya. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all.
Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future.
Broccoli is a recognized anti-cancer star. Researchers pointed out that broccoli is an excellent food source of the natural anti-cancer compound sulforaphane, and the myrosinase in broccoli is crucial to the anti-cancer effect of sulforaphane. Once myrosinase is destroyed, sulforaphane will no longer have an anti-cancer effect. Therefore, compared with other cooking methods, steaming broccoli for about 5 minutes can best preserve myrosinase, and the broccoli cooked in this way is more anti-cancer. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that can produce a chemical substance that can fight inflammation and tumors during the digestion process. Earlier, the British Daily Mail reported that broccoli contains a compound that can kill melanoma. Broccoli contains an enzyme that can inhibit tumor growth. Multiple experiments on animals have shown that this enzyme can inactivate many common malignant tumor genes. When handling Chinese yams, you can avoid direct contact with the mucus of raw yams by wearing gloves or heating the yams before further contact and handling. Once the skin has begun to itch, soapy water, soda water, and hot water that does not cause scalding can relieve the symptoms. Regarding the consumption of yam, the following points need to be noted. 1. Yam is suitable for patients with diabetes, abdominal distension, weakness after illness, chronic nephritis, and chronic diarrhea. 2. Yam has a astringent effect, so it is not suitable for people with dry stool. 3. People with solid evil should avoid eating yam. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.